Let's do addition and subtraction together on the abacus. When earthen beads and heaven beads touch the skyline, then they have the value. But when they don't touch the skyline, the value is 0. To add earthen bead, bring them up to touch the skyline. But in order to subtract, bring them down. To add heaven bead, bring it down, and to subtract the heaven bead, bring it up. Let's solve the following. 5 plus 4 minus 3. Take one heaven bead down to show number 5 on ones place. To add 4, bring 4 earthen beads upward. In order to subtract 3, bring 3 earthen beads down. Read the value together. Our answer is 6.